What investment announcements were made by the White House this week? You might be surprised how these moves could reshape your future economy and innovation landscape. This week, the White House unveiled a $10 billion commitment to boost clean energy development. This includes expanding solar and wind farms, as well as investing in cutting-edge battery technology. The goal is to reduce carbon emissions dramatically and create millions of green jobs. This move signals a major push toward a sustainable energy future that could impact everything from your electricity bills to job opportunities. In addition, the White House announced $5 billion in new funding aimed at propelling technological innovation. This includes investments in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and advanced manufacturing techniques. The goal is to keep the U.S. competitive on the global stage and spark new industries. These investments could soon lead to smarter devices, faster computers, and more efficient production methods that touch your daily life. Finally, the White House committed $7 billion to upgrade critical infrastructure. This includes better roads, bridges, and expanded broadband internet access, especially in rural and underserved areas. Improving infrastructure not only boosts the economy, but also makes daily commuting safer and internet faster for millions of Americans. This investment aims to create a foundation for long-term economic growth and connectivity. These White House investment announcements reveal a bold vision for the future, focusing on clean energy, tech innovation, and infrastructure. They could transform your economy, jobs, and daily life in ways we're just beginning to see. If you want to stay ahead of these changes, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.